Hey guys, it's Heather Downey from Raven of Hope. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I got the Witch's Moon. This is for February of 2020. I already know what's in here. I couldn't help myself. I went ahead and watched some other videos. It came today and you get a card in here. And I got Regenerate. It's really pretty. This is the back. And you get a piece of paper with some twine. And this month's box is Witch of the Woods, and it talks about everything that's in the box, and it kind of gives a little blessing in here. And it's a couple pages. And this is just extra parchment paper. And it's got some tissue paper. It's brown for the earth. And I forgot actually what these were in here because I watched this the other day, but this is the gift of Gaia chant or blessing. It's really pretty. And it's just some thin paper, but it would look, sorry guys, it would look nice in a picture frame. My husband is recording, so if you hear extra noises, that's who it is. Okay, and then you get Belladonna. This is just a great tool to put in your Book of Shadows or your grimoire or anything like that. Again, I think this is beautiful. It's a little bit thicker stock and beautiful print. Tells about Belladonna, which I was really happy because I like the Witch of the Woods because I'm a woods witch, but also I work with the Fae, and I was just learning about these poisonous herbs, and all this month is poisonous herbs. Here is another one, Datra. It's really pretty. And then we have Wolf's Bane. Sorry guys, this is stuck to my card here. Really pretty. And then we have Mandrake, which is, kept hearing my guides say this, so I thought it was interesting it was in here. And then we got Foxglove, which I actually have a sample of my own in my witchy cabinet because I was doing another Fae course and that's what was in it. Then you get the Great Giver. Yeah, I was like, I couldn't tell if that was a C or a G there. And it's just bath soaks, but I kind of like the green lime shiny case. And I love these kind of salts, the bigger chunks that almost look they look like crystals actually. I just like the consistency of that, and my husband had to help me because my brain, sometimes I get too much on my mind and then he has to help me. This is Skullcap. I've never tried this herb, but this looks like another herb to connect with nature. Probably helps with clairvoyance, in my opinion. I don't know, I have to look up these attributes. And then Snakebite. I think that is also for removing hexes, if I'm not mistaken. And it's a protection herb. And then we got our Mandrake root, which I'm still needing to research that, but it's really cool. Then in this plastic wrap, I think this is the oil. I can get this open, sorry guys. Okay, they really wrapped it. Okay. Okay, so this is Nurture. You can see some lavender and chamomile in there. And it looks like a little bit of hibiscus, if I'm not mistaken. It's really pretty. Then we got this book. This book stand where you can just put things up here. And I really like that. I have one that my friend gave me and it's a little bit bigger, but I like this because it's a little smaller and it has a lot of leaves for the nature, so it goes with that theme. And then this is just some extras in here to package it nice. Then this is the candle. It's a very beautiful hunter green. I can get this open.
Looks blue in the camera.
It does look blue, yeah. My husband says it looks blue in the camera. You guys will have to let me know. But it is a green. I don't know if that helps any. No? Okay. It does look blue. Whoa. It's green, guys. I promise. It's green. I don't know if that will help any. It still looks blue. It's green. It smells very... I'm not sure what it smells like, but it smells familiar. I can't place it, but it smells very familiar. Okay, this is not wanting to come off there. I'm making a mess, sorry guys. This is actually a large candle. It's still not picking up the actual color, guys. Huh. Maybe if you put it over there. Oh, gosh. It's hunter green, guys. I don't know what it is. Yeah, it just won't. And then we got some incense. This is Admits the Fog. Again, it's a familiar smell. I just can't place it. It smells just like the candle, though. And then this is the last thing that I was like, whoa, this is why it's so heavy. And this is what magic is all about, guys, because I had this book that someone gave me. I bought a big witchy haul, and it was used books, and it was paperback. And I was just like, I cannot connect with this right now in my craft. And I was like, if I'm meant to have it, it'll come back to me. And it did come back to me, but it's in hardback. It's got the gilded gold edges. And it has a little note in here from the Witch's Moon. And it also has, I mean, I love the pictures and I just think it's pretty. And there is, if I can find it, there is a gold bookmark. It won't probably let me find it, but it's in here. They've actually added this as well. So that was really nice. So I'm very pleased. I think it's worth the money. I honestly do. Especially when you get limited edition of this kind of stuff. And I love bath soaks, oils, incense, candles. I love it. So I was just ecstatic when I bought this. I was very happy. Thank you guys for watching. I will link everything down below. If you have any comments or questions, just let me know. And I hope to see you guys soon. Blessed be.